Let's imagine we're in beautiful Hawaii today. Under the water, under the sea, is the topic that we're going to talk about today, U-Sub. Here U-Sub stands for U-Substitution. It is the substitution rule for integrals. Let's find out how it works. We're trying to find this integral here. However, this function that we integrate with doesn't match with any function in our integration table. So a method that we can consider here is use U-substitution. Take a look at this function that we're integrating with. This part here under the square root is kind of complicated. If it can be expressed as a single variable, that will make this simpler. So we're going to let u equal to 1 plus x squared. Now du dx will be equal to 2x. Then du is equal to 2x dx. Now if you take a look here, the 2x dx here actually occurs in the integral. You have 2x dx over here. We can replace this 2x dx here by du. In fact, this is actually proven. The substitution rule says that it is permissible to operate with dx and du after the integral sign as if they are differentials. So this part here is going to become square root of u, and this 2x dx is going to become du. Now let's rewrite this square root of u in power form, and that will become u to the 1/2 power. We know how to find antiderivative of u to the 1/2 power. So the power rule says that to find antiderivative, we'll increase this exponent on u by 1. So that will be u to the 3/2 power. And multiply by its reciprocal, which is 2/3. And finally add a constant. Now we need to go back to x. To go back to x, we will replace the u here by 1 plus x squared. And that will be the final answer here. We can check if this answer here is correct or not by differentiating. To differentiate this, we notice that the 2/3 is a constant multiple. We put it in front. And the exponent on this quantity 1 plus x squared is 3/2. So we drop down this exponent 3/2. And then that quantity 1 plus x squared will be raised to the 1/2 power. Now, by the chain rule, we need to multiply by the derivative of this inner function. The derivative of this inner function, 1 plus x squared, is 2x. So we're going to multiply by 2x. So simplify, indeed, we got the function that we integrate with in the beginning. So this answer here is correct. As you see, the U-substitution method here works in this example. Actually, the substitution method is already proven. We know integration and differentiation are reverse processes. So the substitution rule in integration, what is the corresponding rule in differentiation? You see that we have actually used the chain rule in this differentiation. The corresponding rule in differentiation that corresponds to U-sub is going to be the chain rule. So you can imagine the chain pulling this U-submarine over here. So these two rules are corresponding to each other.